Welcome to the world of Celestra Solar, a beacon of innovation and sustainability within the realm of energy solutions. We are delighted to take this opportunity to guide you through our company's story and the exceptional products that embody our commitment to a cleaner, greener future. Here at Celestra Solar, we are not just a company. We are dedicated to reshaping how we harness energy from the sun. Let's embark on this journey together as we explore the various products that define Celestra Solar's mission. Starting close to home, our residential solar solutions transform ordinary rooftops into powerful contributors to a sustainable tomorrow. Picture a world where every home becomes a source of clean energy. That's the vision we're working towards. Moving beyond individual homes, our expertise extends to commercial and industrial solar solutions, with large-scale ground-mount projects that redefine how businesses can embrace clean energy, making a significant impact on both the environment and their bottom line. Imagine streets lit not just by ordinary lights, but by the brilliance of solar energy. Our solar street lights bring this vision to life, illuminating communities with elegance and efficiency, making our neighborhoods safer and more sustainable. For those seeking adventure and a nomadic lifestyle, our flexible and portable solar panels are designed for recreational vehicles, ensuring that wherever the road takes you, the power of the sun goes with you. Celestra Solar isn't just about rooftops and panels. We're also revolutionizing agriculture with our solar water pumping systems, providing efficient and sustainable solutions to farmers around the globe. In the realm of innovation, our drone inspection services ensure that solar farms are maintained with precision and care, maximizing efficiency and longevity. Speaking of efficiency, our solar cleaning automation ensures that every solar panel, from small installations to large farms, operates at peak performance. Embracing the future of transportation, our electric vehicle (EV) charging stations cater to both residential and commercial needs, making electric vehicles not just a choice, but a lifestyle. And for mega-scale projects, our solar tracking systems take solar technology to new heights, ensuring maximum energy absorption for large-scale wall plant services. But that's not all. We are also proud to offer carbon credit services. Celestra Solar is your partner in reducing carbon footprints and contributing to a more sustainable future. We assist companies in harnessing the benefits of renewable carbon offset, aligning their operations with environmental responsibility. While we may not be pioneers, we are passionate advocates for change. In every product, in every initiative, Celestra Solar embodies a commitment to sustainability, innovation, and a future powered by the sun. Join us on this journey as we illuminate the path to a brighter, cleaner, and more sustainable world. Thank you for being a part of Celestra Solar, where innovation meets sustainability, and together, we shine a light on a better tomorrow.